Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the steps on how to fix the device requires further installation on Windows 10. If you're experiencing this issue with your printer, keyboard, mouse, or any other hardware device, don't worry, we'll show you how to resolve it step by step. Let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Open the Start menu by clicking on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Device Manager and click on it when it appears in the search results. Step 2. Once the Device Manager window opens, find the category related to the device that's showing the error. For example, if you're having trouble with a printer, expand the Print Queues section by clicking the small arrow next to it. Step 3. Locate the specified device that's causing the issue. Right-click on it and select Update Driver from the drop-down menu. Step 4. In the new window that appears, click on Search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will now check for any available updates and install them if found. Step 5. If Windows finds and installs a new driver, restart your computer and check if the issue is resolved. If no updates are found or the problem persists, move on to the next method. Method 2. Step 1. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager in the search bar. Click on it from the search results to open the Device Manager window. Step 2. Locate the category of the device with the issue and expand it by clicking the small arrow next to it. Step 3. Find the device that's causing the problem, right-click on it, and select Uninstall Device. A confirmation window may appear. If it does, click Uninstall. Step 4. Restart your computer. When Windows boots up, it will automatically detect the missing device and reinstall the necessary drivers. Check if the issue is resolved after the restart. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods helped you fix the error. If this video was useful, don't forget to like, subscribe to PC Error Detective, and stay tuned for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.